Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Putri Deni Apriliani. I am from TBI class this semester 5. In this video, I will review or analyze about English course book. Okay, this course book for grade 11, the publisher in Pusat Kurikulum dan Perbukuan Balitbang Kemendikbud, and the author is Makruh Basir. First point is we talk about target audience. The target audience for this book is primarily high school students in Indonesia, specifically those in grade 11. This audience include learners who are at intermediate level of English proficiency and are seeking to improve their language skill in various contexts, such as speaking, writing, and comprehension. The book is designed for students who are preparing for academic assessment and who need to develop their abilities to communicate effectively in English, but in formal and informal setting. Additionally, teachers and educators who are responsible for teaching English as a second language may also find this book useful as a resource for lesson planning and classroom activities. Overall, the book aims to engage young learners and equip them with the necessary skill to navigate real-life situation and academic challenges in English. Okay, next point, we talk about aims and approaches. This book aims to improve English language skill among grade 11 students by focusing on key skills such as reading, writing, speaking, and listening. The book promotes critical thinking by encouraging students to express their opinions and engage in discussion on various topics, thus fostering a deeper understanding of the material. Through interactive learning approaches such as communicative language teaching and task-based learning, the book creates an engaging environment where students can practice communication skills in real life. Collaborative activities and group work are emphasized so students can learn from each other and develop important social skills. In addition, the content of the book is framed with relevant terms and real-world issues, making it easy to understand and motivating for students. And next, we talk about design and organization. The book is structured to facilitate the learning of English for students in grade 11, focusing on various competencies essential for effective communication. Each chapter is organized around specific terms such as offers and suggestion, opinions and thought, and party time, which guides students through different aspects of language use. The chapters begin with pre-activity section to engage students and active prior knowledge, followed by building blocks that introduce key concepts and vocabulary. Each chapter includes practice activities, active conversation, and writing connection to reinforce learning through practical application. And additionally, formative assessments are integrated to evaluate students' understanding and progress. The book emphasizes interactive learning, encouraging students to collaborate, discuss, and express their thoughts, and enhancing their language skill in a structured yet dynamic manner. And next, about language content. In this book is carefully designed to provide students with a solid foundation in English grammar, vocabulary, and use, tailored to their proficiency level in grade 11. The book covers essential grammatical structure, including the use of passive voice, modal verbs for suggestion and over, and various sentence construction that facilitate effective communication. Vocabulary development is prioritized through thematic units that introduce relevant terms and expression, so that students can articulate their thoughts and various topics such as social issue, natural disaster, and personal experiences. The book also incorporates linguistic features specific to different text types, such as exposition text, personal letters, and dialogues, allowing students to understand the nuances of language in various contexts. And the next about skill. This book focuses on developing comprehensive set of language skills essential for effective communication in English. The book emphasizes reading skill by providing a variety of texts that enhance comprehension and critical analysis, so that students can engage with different genres and topics. Writing skills are developed through structured exercises that guide students in creating different types of text, such as personal letters, opinion, and expression text, thus enhancing their ability to express ideas clearly and coherent. Speaking skills are honed through interactive activities, including role play and discussion, which encourage students to articulate their thoughts and engage in meaningful conversation with peers. And listening skills are also honed with activities designed to improve students' ability to understand spoken English in a variety of contexts. Okay, the next point is topic content. Of the book is carefully selected to engage high school students in relevant and contemporary issues that match their experiences and interests. Each chapter addresses various themes such as environmental issues, social dynamics, cultural events, and self-development, encouraging students to explore and discuss this topic critically. The inclusion of literary text, song, and folk tales enrich the curriculum by exposing students to different cultural perspectives and artistic expression. This diverse topic not only stimulates students but also encourages critical thinking and reflection, allowing them to connect their learning to real-world context. Next point about methodology. The methodology used in this book is designed to facilitate active and interactive learning, encouraging students' engagement and participation in the English language acquisition process. The book incorporates a communicative approach that emphasizes real-life context, allowing students to practice language skills through meaningful interaction, discussion, and collaborative activities. Each chapter is organized to include three activities that active prior knowledge, building blocks, and that introduce new concepts and vocabulary, and practice exercise that reinforce learning through application. The use of role plays, dialogue, and group projects encourage students to work together, foster teamwork, and improve their speaking and listening skills. In addition, the book also integrates formative assessment throughout the chapter and task-based learning and reflective practice. The methodology aims to create a dynamic and supportive learning environment that caters to diverse learning style and encourages holistic language proficiency. Practical consideration. The practical consideration outlined in this book are critical to ensuring that learners' experiences are effective and accessible for students at the grade 11 level. The book emphasizes the importance of creating supportive classroom environment that accommodates diverse learning style and abilities, allowing all the students to engage meaningful with the subject matter. The book provides guidance to teachers on how to implement activities and exercises in a way that maximize students' participation and encourage collaboration. Next is about social value. The social value emphasizes in this book center on developing a sense of community, empathy, and social responsibility among students by addressing topics such as bullying, environmental issues, and cultural diversity. The book encourages students to reflect on their role as active citizens in society. By instilling this social value, the books aim to prepare students not only as proficient English speaker but also as conscientious individuals who are aware of and responsive to the social dynamics around them. And next point is we talk about language feature. The language feature highlighted in this book are integral to developing students' proficiency in English and improving their communicative competence. The book emphasizes the use of descriptive and persuasive language, encouraging students to use a variety of vocabulary and expression that convey their truth effectively. And the last, we talk about conclusion and recommendation. For the conclusion of the book emphasizes the effective communication skills are essential for student academic success and personal development, and encourage educators to adapt innovative teaching strategies that actively engage students in their learning journey. And for the recommendation provided, encourage teachers to create a dynamic and inclusive classroom environment that encourage collaboration, critical thinking, and creativity. Maybe that's all from me, and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.